So I'm going to show you how to take any website that's publicly available, like this knowledge base, and be able to scrape it and be able to put it in a way that you can actually go and use it. And this goes for any publicly facing website. If you can get to it without a login's a little bit different story, but this is free website. So if you want to be able to have this as a directory of documents, whatever that might be, stay tuned. Let me show you. So you're going to want to go into a service like Firecrawl, and it's completely free to get started. And you're going to want to put in your URL. This is the URL right here, and we're going to click run. Once it finishes, you're going to see a whole bunch of markdown content, basically just all of the information just without the code. And you're going to click copy. Now you can go into Google Docs and actually go put the documents into a Google Doc and stuff like that. You can automate this with N8N. A little bit easier if you have a lot of URLs to go through, but next step. Now you can go into Claude Projects and you can actually go in over here and go give it instructions. You can go add those documents all through here, and now you can ask questions. The beauty of this is if you have a knowledge base that you need to go through and be able to reference really, really quickly, if you have internal documents that you want to be able to reference really, really quickly, it's really good for anything. What we use this for is API documentation, because there's usually a lot of documentation that comes with an API. So what we did was we scraped it, put it into our documents, and now we're able to go ask very specific questions and say, hey, in the instructions, hey, we're trying to connect with, we use Go High Level. So we're going to say, hey, here's our API key. Let's go create all these endpoints. So that way it just takes a whole lot of less effort for us to be able to go and choose the right thing and blah, blah, blah. It literally took 2 tests. We got our lead into Access Care from a client and stuff like that. So you can do this with anything. So if you have internal documents in like knowledge base, whatever that might be, if it's a website, you can scrape it, get it into a document set. And if you want to get more advanced, you can actually push all that information into a Supabase or something like that where you can reference via chatbot. It's a whole nother story. But I just wanted to be able to get you guys going with scraping a website, just stripping out all the code, just getting text, and getting into a useful into a way that you can use it.